Hey everyone, it's Maddie with LiftedTrucks.com. This month's featured truck is a custom 2023 Toyota Tundra Crew Max 4x4. Our technicians made this one extra badass by installing a 2.5-inch leveling kit by our friends at Westcott Designs, 18-inch KMC impact wheels, and 37-inch Nitto tires. It also features Fox shocks, a TRD skid plate, digital camo leather interior, a sunroof, only 5,000 miles, 14-inch touchscreen display, a twin-turbo hybrid V6 motor, and much more. Now with locations in Arizona, Texas, and Alabama, we have over 850 trucks, SUVs, and Jeeps to choose from, and we ship nationwide. For more information on this truck or any others, log on to LiftedTrucks.com. That's LiftedTrucks.com.